Hello, I want to show you these toy boxes, toy organizers. These are specifically for building blocks like the name brand we know and love. As you can tell, we are a Lego loving family, and when it's come to organization for building blocks such as Legos, it has kind of been a nightmare. At first, like when my kids were starting to get involved in it, we just kept it all in one container and just kept it under the bed. But as their collection grew more and more, that no longer was an option, and I wanted to try something else. I did have a tall like drawer thing with a ton of different drawers that slid in and out over here, but it was more of a nightmare because the drawers would not stay like in their individual tracks. It just got really messy. The intention behind it was really good, but it just was not good. Here's the before. We just have some things shoved in buckets. And then here is the shelving unit with each individual tray supposed to be neatly on its own track, but they're not. I have been on the hunt for something that could organize these Legos very well, and I came across these boxes online and I just kept coming back to them. I've seen like the big mats that you can unzip. They're attached to a box and you can just dump it over and unzip it and there they are. But that's really not how they work in my house. I have 5 kids, ages 12 all the way to toddler. And when my 12-year-old son wants to play Legos, he needs to be able to play with them up off the floor. Him and my husband actually built this little desk for his Legos. And then now we have these bins for all his Legos. This actually came in the mail earlier this week. And I said, hey buddy, come here. I got something for you to see. And I opened it up and I showed him, and he, oh my gosh, was so excited and wanted to organize all that he could. And this is a little bit of his organizing so far. I think it's super cute. Now, he got distracted and just kept playing, but he's got like, okay, here's the girl minifigs, like from the Lego Friends. Here's my Hulk. Here is some car parts. Like, I love that he knows that he can organize this a certain way. All of these boxes come with this insert, and you can just pull this insert out super easy and then have all your Legos in that big box right there. So is this ideal to have them all mixed up like this? If it were my way, no, but it also is not practical for us to have tons and tons of compartments. It's just not going to happen. But this is not overwhelming to look through. It's really not. If you're into Legos, this is not that overwhelming to sift through. Besides, you can continue to organize more and more, put everything in a certain place, and it'd be great. I also love the lid. I've seen a couple different kinds of these types of containers on the market, and I have to say, this is what I just kept coming back to, was this specific brand, this specific style. There's one I've seen, it's got like a handle in the middle. No. I understand the thought, but my kids are not going to want a handle in the middle, right where it is prime real estate to build their blocks. So I love this. It's very, very big. It's a very big space to build whatever you want to build on here. It's perfect. These are great. Like, I could see these being used for other toys too, whether it be Hatchimals, little dollhouse parts, whatever, you name it. So here's actually how he had it set up. He had these 2 boxes here, though he didn't have to have them there. That's just the ones he wanted. He had them there, and he had it open, and I just thought that was so cute. He had it propped open to have everything that he wanted right there. This is his little city he works on sometimes. And then here's a couple more boxes. Let's see, does he have anything? Well, he's got some, see, his organizing a little bit. Anyways, these are fantastic. If you were to ask me, if you were to ask my son what our short, sweet opinion of these boxes are, we would probably, I know what I'd say, but he would also probably say 10 out of 10 he recommends.